Hi, welcome back to Coding Games in Python. This is a lab. You're going to get to try to implement code that will rotate a Tetris piece. So you do this correctly, this is what it should look like. So here it is, rotation of a Tetris piece. And notice that if I am on the board, the side here, I can't rotate. But otherwise I can rotate. And yep, so that's what you're trying to do. Let me kind of show you a couple of things here. So basically you are essentially implementing two methods. One of them is called can rotate, that takes the board and see whether you can rotate the current piece. And so again, in the last video, we want to watch the last video if you want, so that you can understand the math behind this. But I put here the formula for rotation that I explained in detail in the last video. And the idea here is this will return true or false, whether you can rotate or not. And the method rotate will actually does rotation, and this method actually will call this method. So this rotate method, check to see if you can rotate, and if you can, then does the rotation. And yeah, so I'll post the solutions, and then in the next video I'll quickly show you the answers too. But okay, alright, thanks.